Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox the Amazon Echo Dot. Now this is a smart speaker. So it's got Bluetooth in it, it's got Wi-Fi, it's got a lot of mics to listen to your voice, it continuously listens, a lot of things. But the main problem is people don't know what this is all about. They consider this as a regular Bluetooth speaker, but it's not. The Alexa service, the Alexa feature, what does it do? There's a lot of confusion with that. So I'm going to make a series of Amazon devices videos. So I already have the Fire Stick. Now I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use Alexa, and I'm going to show you home automation, so how it's going to work. So let's go ahead and unbox this first. I don't think there'll be much to see in this. It'll be just the speaker and stuff, but let's see. Let's talk about the price. Now this is for 4,499. This is the smallest version. This is the Echo Dot. There are two more versions. The bigger one is 999 rupees version, and then the one above that is 1499 version. So the difference is this has just a tweeter. It's just a normal speaker. It doesn't have a woofer in it. The bigger version than this, the 9,999, has a woofer in it, but it's not that big. It's like this big. Then you have a bigger one which is for 1499, 14,999, which is this big. So the sound is louder. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this now. Let's open it up and see what all you get. First of all, let's look at the box itself. So it's a plain box, blue colored box with a lot of things written about it. So this is the specialty it has. It's a far field voice control. So you would have seen a lot of people talk about it, that you are sitting in one room and from the other room this one can hear you. Whatever command you give, it can hear that and then do whatever you say. So there are a lot of people who are afraid of that because this is continuously hearing you, whatever you're saying. So I'm going to explain that in my further videos, that what it actually does, where does the data go, and how can you use it safely. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So okay, there's this seal over here. Oh, that was easy. Okay, plain and simple, nothing fancy. So let's keep this box aside. So that's the speaker. Now there are two versions, a black and a white version. Now the white version is rare. You can't really get it that easily. I've searched for this in 3-4 shops and I could not get it. All of them have the black version. So finally I got the white version from one of the shops. They had one available. So I got it from Chroma as usual, but there was one available there. Rest of the places like Reliance Digital or Landmark, all of them did not have the white version. So I wanted something different instead of black. So this is the manual. So basically it just says plug it into the power plug, and then you can even connect it through a Bluetooth to a Bluetooth speaker, and through Wi-Fi you can control your phone. With the phone you can control this through Wi-Fi. So all that we'll be talking about later on. This video is not going to be on setup because the setup is going to take a lot of time. So I'll make a separate video for that. That'll come after this. Okay, so what all you can try: music, news, radio, reminders, timers, shop on Amazon, question answers, movies, weather, smart home, use anytime. So one thing you have to realize is most of the things on this that will work would be Amazon related. So Amazon services, Amazon Music, Amazon Play, Amazon, everything is going to be Amazon. So that's the same thing with Fire Stick. So I'll discuss that later on about Fire Stick also. So you get a data cable. Okay, a pretty long data cable. Yeah, because this would be put in places where maybe the wall charger is far away. So the data cable is pretty long. So the charging cable, the data cable is pretty long. Oh, even the wall charger is different. Okay, so the charger is a 9-volt charger. The output is of 5.2 volts, so 1.8 ampere. So this is slightly more than your regular phone chargers. So I would not suggest you to put this onto your regular phones. Ideally nothing would happen, but this is going to give a little more power to your phone, and that might cause a battery issue. So I would suggest you not to use that. Just use this for the Echo Dot itself. So that's it, nothing else in this. Okay, so let's look at the build quality and the button placements. So basically it has only 4 buttons. So the volume up, volume down, mic mute, and the power and the command button. So there are 6 mics around it. So if you look at it closely, then you can actually see the mic holes. So there are 6 mics over here. So those are responsible for listening to your voice. So this is capable of doing okay, we'll talk about that later on in the overview. So the black and white have the similar color, I mean the same color top, just that the black one is black from here, this is white. Now there are 2 ports. This is the power port, which can only be used for power, nothing else can be done with it. This is the speaker output port. So what you can do is, if you want, you can actually plug in an earphone and listen to music directly from this, or you can connect your home speaker system onto this and then make it a wireless home speaker system. Now it does connect directly to okay, we'll talk about that also later on in the overview. So that's it. So 2 ports over here, 4 buttons over here, nothing else. Okay, so let's do the overview. So this is a Bluetooth speaker which has Wi-Fi built into it. Wi-Fi is used for information gathering. It's used to go online and get information whatever you have asked for. But remember one thing, it doesn't work with every service available in the market. It only works with a few. So let's start with music. So if you ask Alexa to play music, it's not going to bring music from YouTube. It's not going to bring music from your phone's internal memory. It's going to bring music from 3 places. So you will have to choose which one do you want the music to come from. So you get 3 options. You get, let me just show you. You get Prime Music, you have TuneIn, and the third one is not over here, but that's Saavn. So there are 3. What else can it do? It can control your home automated devices. Like if you have the Philips Hue series lightings, so this has okay, I'll talk about skills later on. Basically this has a function where it can control your lights, control your devices, but they have to be smart devices too. Now to train them, there are something called skills which are available online. So you just install the skill and then it knows what to do, and whatever you're saying, it I mean 99% it has been correct. So it has been able to recognize whatever I said, and to do that I did not have to train it. So the voice recognition is excellent. Now for me, the volume on this is pretty good. It's not, I mean, even though on the booklet it said that this is a tweeter, it doesn't have a woofer, so the speaker is not supposed to be that great, but I found the speaker to be very nice. The sound was very good. Yes, the other 2, the bigger brothers of this, do have a built-in woofer, so that would actually give much better sound. So if this gives good sound, that will give even better sound. So sound wise, very nice. Function wise, very nice. It keeps hearing you, listening to you. Now when someone says Alexa can be used to make calls, let me see if it's here. That's something that was advertised. So the calls that you do are not to mobile phones, not to landlines. The calls can be done to another Alexa device. So if you have another smart Alexa device, the call can be made between them. So I have tried it and it works seamlessly. You don't even have to cancel the call or blah blah blah, nothing. You just say Alexa pick the call, or Alexa cut the call, and it does everything automatically. So that's pretty good. Home automation wise, excellent. The speaker actually has good sound. Now it can be used as a regular Bluetooth speaker also. Now you can just pair it with a Bluetooth device and then use it as a Bluetooth speaker. I haven't tried it as yet, at least that's what they've said. I've been busy. I just got it yesterday, so I've been busy doing just the Wi-Fi setup and all the Wi-Fi functions and installing skills. We'll be talking about skills and all later on. It's too early right now. So all that I've done and it works fine. One thing which I did not expect, I actually did not know, I should have known that this does not have a battery. So this is a Bluetooth speaker which is cannot be used without the adapter. So if there's no electricity, it cannot work. The adapter has to be plugged in 24/7. So that is one thing which I did not like. That's the only thing I did not like. So the Alexa speaker does not have a built-in battery. So if the electricity goes, the Alexa goes. So just remember that in case that's one of your criteria, then you can think about it. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.